After the analytics, the manager can be seen by the admin. Here, the list of the managers, their phone numbers, email IDs, and the team to which they belong can be seen by the admin. The admin can also search the managers. The admin can add manager by clicking on the plus sign Add Manager. The first name has to be entered. The last name followed by the phone number. Email ID. Password. And teams can be assigned. As we can see, more than one teams can be assigned for a manager. Here we are adding 3 teams. This manager can manage 3 teams. The admin can give permission to the manager to allow edit task, allow add driver, and allow to create task. Once this is done, the admin clicks Add. This will create a new manager. As you can see, manager has been added. Now on clicking on this option, we can either edit or delete the manager. On clicking on edit option, we can edit the particulars of this manager and click update to update the same. For example, if I remove this team and then click update, as you can see, one team has been removed and manager has been updated. Now the admin can also delete the particulars of a manager. I'm clicking on delete and yes. You can see the manager has been deleted.